Welcome back, everyone, to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: anxiety. I'm Tom, and in this video, we'll explore some practical tips to help you understand and manage anxiety effectively. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Defining anxiety. To start, let's understand what anxiety is. Anxiety is a natural response to stress or fear, but for some, it can become overwhelming and interfere with daily life. It may manifest as constant worry, racing thoughts, physical tension, or even panic attacks. The good news is that there are various strategies to help you find calm amidst the storm. Mindful breathing. One of the most effective ways to manage anxiety is through mindful breathing. Take a moment to sit or lie down comfortably and close your eyes. Breathe in deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 4, and then exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this several times, focusing solely on your breath. This simple practice can help ground you and reduce feelings of anxiety. Challenging negative thoughts. Anxiety often stems from negative thought patterns. It's essential to challenge these thoughts and replace them with more rational and positive alternatives. Keep a journal handy and write down your anxious thoughts. Then, ask yourself if there's evidence supporting these thoughts. Are they realistic? Often, you'll find that they're exaggerated or irrational. Replace them with more balanced thoughts, and over time, this practice will help you gain perspective and reduce anxiety's grip. Establishing a self-care routine. Self-care is vital in managing anxiety. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Engage in hobbies, practice yoga or exercise, spend time in nature, or meditate. Prioritizing self-care will recharge your mind and body, making you better equipped to handle anxious situations. Seeking support. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Seeking support from friends, family, or a professional can make a world of difference. Reach out to those you trust and consider talking to a therapist or counselor who specializes in anxiety. They can provide valuable insights and techniques tailored to your needs. Well, that wraps up our video on understanding and managing anxiety. Remember, these tips are just a starting point, and everyone's journey is unique. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every small step you take towards managing anxiety. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mental health tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and take care.